With the Range Slack app, your team can invest in its culture every day. You'll know how everyone is feeling and use team questions to build trust and stronger connections. Let me show you how. After completing the plan and what happened portions of your daily check-in, Range asks a team-building question that you can answer. There are over 350 questions, and they're designed to help teammates connect and get to know each other. We've developed them with experts, and they cover foundational topics like communication styles, growth mindset, feedback, and much more. After answering the questions, you can also quickly share how you're feeling. Start by reflecting on your mood with a red, yellow, green check-in. I'm currently at a yellow. I'm a little anxious about what I've got on my plate today, but I'm in a great headspace to focus. So I'll click to expand the yellow drop-down, and then select an emoji that I think best represents what I've just described. I think the nerd best captures my mood right now. And that's it. Click Publish Check-in, and in addition to reviewing the check-ins of your teammates, be sure to take a look at how they're feeling today. This is a great way to get a pulse on team morale and health, as well as spot who might need some extra support. Add the Range Slack app to your workspace and try running a check-in with your team today.